Kulish buni fibro such sempat kajum tip nam ta kubor Laitkam te Laitkam Hikai kumba khat khandai Tylli jongki lecturer but lab assistant kumba khandai Tylli kini ki contractual basis dengan puli kum kaneka advertisement kini borok kede hepo ka west khasil application duly fill in start form pendap lamba ka start form kamder online start form along with complete biodata are hereby invited from the candidate who are citizen of India for filling post of assistant lecturer and laboratory assistant on contractual basis again the newly upgraded higher secondary school in West Khasil and Eastern West Khasil district for a period of 6 months taken sa nang continue by na extend ya ka ta contract karang bisni post ki belai long assistant lecturer kinot kumba khat artli jong ki science but new tli jong ki art section tengin pemta te habari bat jong hapok malanggona kidon kumba sautli ke biology chemistry physics but maths kini dia po malanggona sautli one for each subject but kilab assistant ru lightly biology chemistry but physics tenamta ka assistant lecturer terlatib hi have the master degree with B.Ed chemistry physics and maths with B.Ed from recognized university tenamta ka lab assistant kan day class 12 science kilaban apply namta ka lab assistant te kumju apo Tirut Singh Memorial Government High School kumju assistant lecturer biology chemistry physics maths kumju hi sangut master with B.Ed tenamta ka lab assistant mudba class 12 science kita apan apply apo Umthlong Government High School Umthlong nong thliu kaner kumju hi apo Umthlong pada kadon langbat jongki arts ru te assistant lecturer jong science jong biology chemistry physics maths Kiton kam sangut way ke subject biology way chemistry way physics way maths way but kilab assistant langut biology chemistry with physics class of science kilab apply nam ta kalab but master degree with B.Ed kilab apply nam ta ki assistant lecturer tenam ta assistant lecturer hapo ki art section bada kidon new Tylli kata long English MIL khasi economics history political science education but philosophy te kini kila ban apply nam ta kini post kini benda paya ka master degree in English ML khasi economic history political philosophy with B.Ed from recognized university te kini ki bakwa ban apply kan mau ba kini ban don back ka B.Ed lara pikwa kam hikai lara empat la ban apply ka age ka debe khat pra du life news name kat kum ka age relaxation te ki balong ban interest ban apply nam ta kini kila ban apply nam bakas start form basa submit hapok office of the district school education officer West Khasil apply submit hapok West Khasil kadai offline on or before 20 May 2025 or 4 tarik jong banai May arjar pesan applicant are requested to mention the contact WhatsApp number and email address in the application form hataka standard form have mention the contact number WhatsApp number email address kenang makin suk bahakin contact mau gidan kumba khat khandai Tylli ki post jong assistant lecturer but khandai Tylli jong ki lab assistant badai jong ka web science te ki ba kwa ban apply sale ka bron kam te tangi nei jim tip khule shibun